Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 12.3 question number 8.1. If z is equal to 10, find the value of z cube minus 3 z minus 10. Let us find the value. That is number 1. Number 1 is z cube minus 3 into z minus 10. Therefore we will get the value of z is equal to 10. That is 10 cube minus 3. The value of z is 10. That is 10 minus 10. Therefore we are getting 10 to the power cube is 1000 minus 3. 10 minus 10 is 0. That is 1000 minus 0. That is equal to 1000. This is answer. 2. If p is equal to minus 10, find the value of p square minus 2p minus 100. That is value of p square minus 2p minus 100. That is equal to p square is minus 10 whole square minus 10 whole square minus 2 into p. The value of p is minus 10 minus 10 minus 100. That is equal to 10 into 10, that is 100. Minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus plus. 10 to the 20 minus 100. And if we cut plus 100 minus 100, you get, or you can find 100 plus 20 is 120. 120 minus 100, and that comes to 20. That comes to 20, and this is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.